Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an update in relation to the Falcon Technologies digital mirror and camera system that was installed by Falcon on the car and the Caravan. So let me explain more. So we've been using the Falcon digital mirror for quite a while now and we found it quite effective. But at first what we did find was the screen was a little dark in relation to what the camera was picking up. So I went into the system, so if you press the on button and then press the M button, you can then scroll into various menus and you can adjust the brightness and the contrast of the actual picture that you're receiving, which makes it a little bit more easy on the eye when you're towing, which I like the idea of that. Now, like I said, I've been toying with it for quite a while. Now, what I wanted to do was try and capture some video footage of us actually towing the Caravan and using this system. Now, we found this to be quite difficult. We tried attaching a camera to the side of our window and it just didn't work. So unfortunately, that side of it at first was not going to happen. And then Juliet agreed that what she would do is she would sit safely in the car and she would take some video footage on the camera directly from the screen. Now, I'm going to apologise first of all because this is a little bit shaky, but it was the best we could do. But it'll give you an idea, especially when we overtake an articulated lorry, what it's like. Now, bearing in mind what you're seeing is actually in reverse because obviously this is a digital mirror and it works like a mirror. So let's have a look at this short footage now and see what you think. So that was the footage that we took with that handheld camera. Like I say, it's a little bit shaky, but you can see when we overtook the lorry that we had plenty of space in order to move in front of the lorry without causing that lorry to brake and allow the traffic to flow. And that is, for me, the whole point of this digital camera system. I think it's a really good idea. I think, like I said at the beginning of the other video really, this should be fitted as standard to all Caravans. Now, while we were actually using the digital mirror and camera system, I thought, well, at the moment, Falcon do not supply a box or carry case in order for you to protect the actual digital mirror when it's not in use. So I got some inspiration from Alfie actually. Alfie has a Nintendo DS and he carries it around everywhere he goes in a carry case, and I thought, I wonder if that would fit the Falcon digital mirror. So I took a few measurements and then I went online and had a look and I found this. I think it's a really good idea. This is a Nintendo DS box. So I'll quickly show you why I've chosen this and let you have a look. So if you buy this system, this might be something you might consider. But then again, in the future, Falcon might also come up with a product that you can buy to actually fit the digital mirror in. So let's have a quick look at this. So this is what I came up with. As I said, it's a Nintendo DS case. Now it's quite a hard shell top, sides and also on the bottom. So it's going to protect the Falcon digital mirror. Lid opens via a zip and then we've got this flap here. Inside it is fleece lined, so it's going to protect the screen. So I'll show you now. Pop the screen upside down like so and tuck all the cable in. Pull the flap down and zip it up like so. And it's got a nice carrying handle, so it's ideal for this device. So that's what I purchased. Well folks, that's our update in relation to the Falcon Digital Mirror and Camera system. Still think it's a really good idea, very happy with it. The customer service at Falcon is excellent, and we've been really impressed. So much so that this is coming to Holland with us in a few weeks' time. Now, we're really looking forward to trialling it out there, because we're going to be travelling on the opposite side of the road, and also we're going to be travelling on unfamiliar roads as well. So it's going to give us that bit more confidence while we're towing. So this is going to be probably one of our lifelines while we're away. Now, I'm going to leave a link below, as I did in the previous video, to Falcon Technologies. But if you go into any of the summer shows this year, or you're going to the NEC at the end of the year, then why not pop along and see Falcon? They have quite a large stand. I've no doubt that this will be on display, along with many of the other products that they supply and fit. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you to Chris from Falcon Technologies, and thank you for supporting the channel. But in the meantime, bye for now.